Sometimes we ask this question, how can one transcend the influence of illusion? Here is the answer. You just simply surrender. You attach your intelligence unto him. Buddhista, Jatha Buddhista Dasraya. Like Krishna is beyond the material nature, similarly, a living entity who has 100% surrender unto the lotus feet of Krishna, by Krishna's grace, he is also automatically transcendental. Prabhupada is saying, this text is from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 11, text number 38. Those who have taken shelter of the lotus feet of the Supreme, of the personality of Godhead, do not identify with the material world, even while living in it. Pure devotees may deal with the three modes of material nature, but because of their transcendental intelligence in Krishna consciousness, they are not influenced by the material qualities. The spell of material activities does not attract such devotees. Therefore, the Supreme Lord and his devotees acting under him are always free from material contamination. So, first of all, you can say initially a sadhaka, he practices this philosophy. Means he understands, for example, when a devotee, we can say pure devotee of the Lord, he deals with the living entities, conditioned souls in this world, they create some impediments to a devotee. But a devotee does not find fault with them. Rather, he knows that this is how their karma is. What can I do? So instead of finding fault with them, you become compassionate to them. This is how you remain transcendental. On the other hand, if you everything try to look at from your own perspective, then you are attaching, you are connecting yourself with the external energy and you will suffer more even. Therefore, to remain free from the sufferings that are created by the illusory energy of the Supreme Lord is to understand how every living entities are under the control of Krishna's energy and they have their karma, they are dealing with it, or there is a superior understanding. When one takes shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he becomes a devotee of the Lord. Such a devotee is under the care of Krishna. Maybe it is Krishna's arrangement that through that devotee he wants to teach you something. Therefore, such kind of relationship is being developed. So you don't get affected in either case. Whether somebody is a devotee of the Lord, has taken 100% shelter, or someone who is under the influence of the Maya, under the influence of karma. So you understand this, and without identifying yourself with the situation, you focus on the service unto the personality of Godhead. That is how you remain transcendental. And when you act in such consciousness for some time, Krishna, by watching your sincerity, he will help you. He will directly get involved. At that time, you will feel supreme bliss, joy in Krishna consciousness.